Welcome. The high-stakes meeting between President Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Zelenskyy is not a diplomatic exercise. It is a hostage situation aimed at leveraging the most dangerous geopolitical conflict in the world. The core issue? Tomahawk cruise missiles. This is about far more than defense contracts. It's about escalation, market manipulation, and the total destabilization of U.S. foreign policy. We are witnessing the weaponization of defense aid for political gain. The American investor must understand your portfolio is being held hostage to political unpredictability.
The release of Tomahawk missiles to Ukraine would guarantee an escalation tax on the American consumer. Tomahawks are designed for deep strikes, guaranteeing Russian retaliation. This fuels the defense sector bubble, boosting stocks like Lockheed and Raytheon. But the real cost is paid at the pump. Increased conflict means higher volatile energy prices, directly exacerbating U.S. inflation and eroding consumer spending. This is not about winning a war. It's about funding a self-fulfilling prophecy of market instability and ensuring that energy costs remain high for every American family.
Adding chaos to the crisis is the toxic political theater surrounding the former president's reported contact with Vladimir Putin and his planned meeting in Budapest. This sends a catastrophic signal to global financial markets. U.S. foreign policy is not stable. It's up for debate and negotiation with adversarial powers. Global investors demand predictability. When the U.S. stance on a major conflict is suddenly negotiable, confidence in the U.S. dollar and Treasury bonds weakens. This instability forces capital flight and raises questions about who controls the direction of American financial power. This political circus actively sabotages American economic credibility.
The investment community hates this ambiguity. Geopolitical risk paralyzes decision-making. Companies pause foreign investment. Major infrastructure deals stall. This creates investment paralysis across Wall Street. Furthermore, Europe's economy, already fragile, is acutely sensitive to this instability. A perceived shift in U.S. support or an escalation of the war could trigger a massive sell-off in European equities, leading to market contamination that hits U.S. banks and financial institutions with heavy European exposure. The economic price of this political unpredictability is measured in stalled growth and lost opportunities globally.
Let's summarize the threat. This high-stakes meeting is not diplomacy. It is an act of high-risk financial and political blackmail. It drives inflation, fuels the military-industrial complex, and actively undermines global confidence in the U.S. as a stable superpower. We must demand an end to this cycle, where major geopolitical conflicts are leveraged for political and corporate gain. Demand stability, demand predictability, demand that our leaders remove the Tomahawk missile from the center of this political game. The financial cost of this chaos is too high. Subscribe now to hold them accountable.